Ready to transform your static videos into dynamic masterpieces that pulse with the rhythm of your audio. In this 90-second tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add captivating audio spectrum visualizations to your videos using Capcut, making them more engaging and professional. Let's dive in. First, open Capcut and import the video you want to enhance with an audio spectrum. Make sure your audio is already added to the timeline as well. Next, tap on the Stickers button located in the bottom toolbar. Now, in the search bar at the top of the sticker menu, type Audio Spectrum. You'll see a variety of audio spectrum designs. Browse through them and choose one that fits the style of your video. I recommend choosing a spectrum that doesn't clutter the screen too much and complements your video's aesthetic. Once you've chosen your audio spectrum, tap on it to add it to your timeline. You'll now see it overlaid on your video. Now, it's time to adjust the size and position of the audio spectrum. Use your fingers to pinch and zoom to resize it, and drag it to your desired location on the screen. Common placements are at the bottom, top, or sides of the video. Crucially, make sure the duration of the audio spectrum matches the length of your audio track. Drag the edges of the spectrum layer in the timeline to align it perfectly with your audio. To avoid any doubled audio, tap the spectrum layer on the timeline. Then go to the volume settings. Bring the volume of the spectrum all the way down to 0. This way, only your original audio will be heard. For a more seamless integration, experiment with blending mode. Select the audio spectrum layer. Then look for the blend option. Try different modes like screen, overlay, or add to see what looks best with your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a dynamic audio spectrum to your video in Capcut. Now your visuals will dance in perfect sync with your audio, making your content more engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Capcut tips and tricks. Happy editing!